i9 13900K. I already took it out of the box. AIO, lovely AIO. Used it a couple times. Beautiful Lian case. I did remove the glass. Got all the Lian parts out. If you ever run out of parts, your Lian case will come with everything. We got my up here fans, best fans ever. 13900 and be cool about this fella. We got some white DDR5, beautiful. Got this 1 terabyte NVMe. We got a big, I forget how many watts this is. It's going to tell me quite a few different ones on the back. 900 watt power supply, graphics card, but we will install it once they actually get here. Now everybody's going to be like, yo, why are you getting a B760 motherboard when you literally got an Intel 13900K? I'm going to tell you something right now. This is literally pointless to overclock. The reason this is pointless to overclock is because it boosts up to 5.8 gigahertz from like literally just as you get it. When you overclock it, the maximum you're going to get in an overclock is like 6 gigahertz, or in other words, a 1% boost in performance. If you would like to go ahead and attempt to overclock a 13900K, which is literally like kind of pointless, then you can feel free to do that. But I'm not going to overclock a 13900K, and most likely you probably should not overclock the 13900K either. So, motherboard. First time I've ever used this, so I can't really give my opinion, but this is what it looks like. It's going to fit the build perfectly. It's white and black. Your boy likes to build white and black computers. And then we got the beloved, beautiful power supply extensions, which I don't understand why power supplies don't just like come this way. It would be awesome if power supplies didn't have ugly wires. So, oh my gosh, it already has it. So we didn't need this fella. Where's the motor? All right, I'm going to put that back in there in a little bit. Nice. Intelligent human that I used to be, right? Agree. So, anyways, then you'll find your CPU. Oh my gosh, really, camera? Hold up. All right, so triangle's right there. I know. Super difficult for you guys to see. Either way, put that, you line the triangle up with the cover triangle. Make sure it's lined up. And then spank that thing on down in there. Even power supplies as well. It applies to power supplies too. Like, everybody is so stuck in the past. You know what I mean? And don't get me wrong, I'm fully aware that, okay, I haven't had computers for 4 years to see if a power supply fails. But let's be like really honest. How many of you are actually keeping the same computer for like more than 4 or 5 years? And then it does vary on motherboards. This one is the bottom. Some are at the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this guy up on. Alrighty, boys. That is everything that I got to do outside, right? Your boy's about to put this up on in the case now. Called cable management. Like this. Called more cable management. Where I was getting at earlier with these power supplies is this isn't a PVA power supply. This is one of the lower end power supplies. And everyone's like, oh, you need a Corsair power supply. Again, I haven't used one of these for like 5 or 10 years. But like, I mean, they offer the power. If you like take the power wattage stuff, it runs perfectly fine, bro. It doesn't like, it's not like it's dying. It's not like it's not working. It's not putting power towards whatever it is you got. You know what I mean? So, I don't know, man. I feel like people are just like, they want to prove that they have like the best of the best. I'm so bad at doing one thing. 105 FPS minimum, average 125, and then maximum was 153. That's 4K, by the way. Keep in mind. Well, I just did this one the other day too. So yeah, that's like 50 FPS less than that one. Did this one the other day too. So yeah, that's like 50 FPS less than that one. That's so pretty good. So yeah. Now I'm gonna set this up with them and turn all my lights back on.